Chuggy, ready to play on a number adventure, hip-hip-hooray. Chuggy is rolling, choo-choo-choo. A new number is coming for me and you. First stop, look up at the sky so blue. A big bright sun is smiling at you. One, only one. Chuggy sings happy for number one. Singing in the tree, what a surprise! Two bluebirds right before our eyes. Two, tweet, tweet, two. One, two birds saying hello to you. Up in the clouds, what do we see? Three colorful balloons floating free. Three, look at them go. One, two, three balloons dancing to and fro. In the pretty garden, take a look. Four colorful flowers like in a book. Four, counting some more. One, two, three, four flowers we adore. The night is coming, look afar. Five little twinkling shining stars. Five, glowing bright. One, two, three, four, five, lighting up the night. Choo-choo, Chuggy is waving goodbye. One, two, three, four, five, my oh my. Singing and counting, we had a blast. Learning with Chuggy is fun and fast.